What do, gang? So we back here. We finna do the bottom end tear down on this Yz250f. So let's go ahead and just kind of jump straight in. Go ahead and take this puppy off because it's already begging to be off. Okay, funny enough, I actually couldn't get this off, so I kind of rigged something up here. Oh yeah, dude, this fucking roached. Spike's a roach. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be the fucking shit when I'm done with it. Back to the motor. This is off. Pull this side off. Let's pull this off. Let's get to work. There's like literally no fucking oil filter in there. Yo, bro. What the fuck? No fucking filter in there. What the fuck is the fuck? No filter. That's crazy. Okay. You see that shit? Bro. We'll look at the clutch when we get in there. I'm gonna start taking this clutch off. The clutch doesn't look too bad, to be honest. It really don't look too bad. I thought it was gonna be like exploded just because how the clutch cover looked, but it probably did explode before he got it, and the previous owner probably did the clutch. I would think. I don't know. It looks pretty nice. wood drift key out of there. A lot of people forget about that. That's officially the teardown, bottom end teardown. The whole bike torn down. Now I got to pull all the bearings, pull all the seals, clean all the fucking cases up, press the new bearings, basically rebuild the motor. The next part y'all see will be probably me pressing all the bearings in, because I'll probably press them out and clean everything off camera. Look at that shit, dookie. But yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. Peace.